Hey, I'm Travis. Welcome to Beard Network. Alright guys, so today's going to be a quick one. Alright, this is how to apply beard oil to your beard and skin. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, first you're going to grab your beard oil. Now whatever kind of beard oil you prefer, that's up to you. I got mine in a cute little squirt bottle right here, which I like a lot. It's a lot easier than, you know, the dripper or, you know, just pouring it out in your hand. Alright, but hey, if you got something different, then that's on you. If that's what you like, that's good. But I prefer the little squirt bottle. All right. So what you do is you get your hand, and all it takes really is about 2 pumps, 2 good ones. Let's see if we can get some good ones. All right, that's good. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't take much. All right. A lot goes a long way. All right. You just rub that in your hands. All right, and then you just rub it in. All right. Now the oil gets on your hands, and you use your fingertips to work it in your beard. All right, get down here. All right, get all up in here. It's pretty simple. You want to make sure that it gets down to the skin as much as you can, because that's what it's actually for, is to moisturize your skin. All right, it helps your skin out, so it doesn't have to use all the oil in your beard, and then your skin gets dry. All right, keeps it nice and moist. All right, just like that. All right, and then you can grab your little brush and brush it down, make it look good. All right, easy enough, right? Now I got another way too. All right, what I like to do sometimes, I'm gonna grab my beard oil again. All right, now maybe this is just me, but this is what I like to do. What I'll do is I'll squirt some straight into my brush, like that, right? Rub it in my brush. Kind of mix it around, right? Now, throughout the day, I can just use this brush, because I like brushing my beard. I just think it feels good. And every time I brush it, it applies a little bit of oil to your beard, and the bristles can get down to the skin really, really well. So you're actually hitting the skin, right? And so if you have your brush around with you, you just do this throughout the day, and you're constantly moisturizing your skin so it doesn't dry out. And this will probably last a couple days before I put more oil in it. All right, that's just what I do. It works for me. It might not work for you. You might have a better method. If you do, comment down below, let me know. All right, but that's how I like to do it. And hey, if you enjoyed this content, if it helped you out at all, I'd ask if you please subscribe and maybe hit a like button. I'd appreciate it greatly. And hey, have a great day. So my wife brought it to my attention that I said all right in this video 23 times. So I do apologize for that. But guess what? It's all right.